Hello and welcome to the Outdoors. My name is Talon J.O., Sales Manager for Outdoors RV, and we're here today in the beautiful Grand Raton Valley to show you the new revised 21 KVS Mountain Series CreekSide. The 21 KVS CreekSide Mountain Series is 25 feet, 10 inches overall with an average dry weight of 5,900 pounds. This is a perfectly small trailer to get you in those nice boondocking backcountry areas. Every Outdoors RV features a custom-built camper chassis, X4 off-road suspension featuring E-rated, USA-made Goodyear Endurance tires, MORryde shackle kit, CRE 3000 MORryde suspension system, and world-class KYB off-road shocks plus HD 4,000 pound axles. Now, everything Outdoors builds also features the Climate Design 4 Seasons package. Please visit our website for more details and please watch that video. The 21 KVS also features extra tall diamond plate protection with half cap fiberglass reinforced cap. Now let's take a look inside the 21 KVS. One of the major features of the 21 KVS CreekSide is this wraparound rear kitchen with XL viewing windows. You can imagine backing this up to a lake or having a river in the background. Plus, you don't miss out on any of the storage. Just look at all this. Another amazing advantage to the new revised 21 KVS is the ability with slide out in to access and load your pantry, your refrigerator, your pantry over here, plus your rear kitchen. You can do that all without putting the slide out so you can get ready for those outdoor adventures. Also featuring the XL Mountain Dinette 45 by 84 inch and full side aisle bath, plus full walk around bed with full nightstands and shirt wards for your books, water, glasses, CPAP, you name it. Once again, thank you for taking the time to view this short video on the revised 21 KVS Mountain Series trailer. Please visit our website for more details, specs, photos, you name it, or visit one of our dedicated dealer partners to see one in person. Once again, my name is Talon J.O., Sales Manager with Outdoors RV, and thank you for taking the time.